Hey, this is Ed again in Nutrition World. If you look back in the history books, you will see in the 1950s, even physicians were discounting the danger of smoking. Let me tell you something. Cell phones are going to be very similar. It will only be a matter of a few more years, and we will know with conclusive evidence that holding something that is like a microwave next to your head is causing many disorders, including anxiety, depression, perhaps brain tumors. Many things cannot be healthy in the presence of these EMFs, electromagnetic fields. I found the solution. After years and years of really being concerned about that, going to the health food show in Anaheim a few months ago, this case blocks 100% of the EMFs. And I know it looks like it would be odd because you talk with it with the case closed, but I can hear extremely well, and I can tell you that the people already who've been experiencing this have noticed less anxiety, less anxiousness from being able to block these EMFs. So if this is something you haven't thought about, keep thinking about it. Come into Nutrition World and take a look at these cell phone cases. We have them to match almost every phone. Thank you.